The Silentsystem TX-300 portable transmitter, equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, guarantees up to 8 hours of battery life and offers a wide range of features, including an integrated mixer, the ability to connect a microphone, and advanced connectivity such as Bluetooth and a 3.5mm jack input for external audio devices. On the right side of the device, you'll find the power button, DC input for charging, and inputs for microphones and external audio sources, along with a wheel for microphone volume control. The front features a button for channel selection, a display showing the channel in use, and the Bluetooth activator. Finally, on the top of the transmitter is the microphone activation and deactivation button.